The CommBank app, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, lets you change your NetBank client number password, often called PIN by users, directly in the app. This is the 4 to 6-digit code you use to log in. You cannot change the 6-digit card PIN, ATM or debit card PIN via the app. That requires a separate process, phone or branch. Steps to change your CommBank app: login, PIN or password. Open the CommBank app. Launch the official CommBank app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Log in. Enter your current NetBank client number and existing password or PIN to access your account. Go to Settings, tap the menu icon. 3 horizontal lines, usually top left or bottom navigation. Scroll down and select Settings or Profile and Settings. Change Password. In Settings, tap Security or Login and Security. Look for Change Password, Change NetBank Password, or Update Login Details. Tap it. You'll be asked to re-enter your current password or PIN for verification. Enter new password. Create a new password. Must be 6 to 20 characters. Include uppercase, lowercase, numbers. Some versions allow special characters. Cannot be too similar to your old password or personal info. Re-enter the new password to confirm. Confirm and save. Tap Save, Update, or Change Password. You may need to verify via SMS code or push notification. Once successful, log out and log back in with the new password to test.